this practice was for us to get familiarized with the equipment in the lab. We performed basic techniques that we will use along the semester.
Hi, so we're going to start with the first activity. We take our micropipette. This micropipette is of 20 microliters. So we take the point, and then we have our conic tube with water. We open it. But first we open our scale. We set the scale to 0 when it's done. Yes, and then we have to be sure that it has here 20 microliters. So we take the sample of water, and then we put it in the compartment, and we take note of the result we have, and then we put again the scale to 0, and we do it again.
For the practice number 2, we're going to take a point for our micropipette, and we're going to set it in 330 microliters. We're going to take a sample of water 3 times, and this will have to add up 990 microliters. And at the end, we're going to recover the total volume we have in our little microtube, and it should be this exact amount that I've mentioned. And if not, we're going to calculate the difference. So the first step is to take our water sample, and now we put it into our microtube. And I will repeat this 2 more times. Now, I'm gonna set the micropipette to recover the total volume to 990 microliters. And I should recover all of it. There you have it. We've done the experiment correctly.
In the 2 activities, we use the micropipette. First, 20 microliters, 200 microliters, and 1000 microliters, because in the practice indicate this material, and we recover the results and use the calculate the standard deviation.
Human mistakes are a very common error in this kind of practices, so we have to be really careful. If we see our results, we can notice we made a lot of human mistakes.
Use of micropipette is essential to have adequate and optimal development in the laboratory, but reducing measure error.
For an experiment to be approved, it must be replicable and the results obtained should not vary in every case. This is the importance of working with a good technique that allows you to reduce the errors as much as possible. It is also important to know your error and data acceptance margin, and this you can calculate it with the standard deviation tool.